Niki here at the Truck Boss Show. Today we're joined by our friend Bob Perry, founder and president of Health and Transportation. Hey, Bob.
Hey, what's going on?
Oh, you know, just rolling.
Got it.
No pun intended. So today we're going to talk about meal prepping because I know that you're an expert in the industry, and it's kind of hard for these guys and gals to incorporate that. So what would your advice be for them to incorporate meal prepping into their daily lives, maybe starting with some baby steps?
Good, thank you, and that's very important, you're right. And so what I always tell the drivers, you gotta really keep it simple. Don't overwhelm yourself, right? And I've got some great grocery shopping lists and information I can provide for you. That
Yes, you can find that in the comment thread.
To the drivers. And simply by going to, you're already making stops typically at Walmart, at different stores, and so while you're there you can pick up these varieties. And so I always recommend that you can buy, and it's so cost effective. I mean, your drivers tell me all the time, say, Bob, you know, it costs too much to eat healthy, and that's not true. You know, I always say, tell me what your budget is. I don't care if it's $10 a week, $50, I can help gift you in the right direction. But if you go to those stores, they have these really cool little chicken and salmon and turkey packs, right? They're 99 cents. And you can buy those, and they're sealed, so you can they'll last for a long time, and you can carry them in your truck. So that way, when you do stop, if you stop at a travel center, then all you got to do is get a salad, just a plain salad, and you've got your protein to put on top of it, right? So you need to buy a lot of perishable things that you can keep and maintain and keep it simple.
So things that have a long shelf life.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
So that you can do, but also look for things that don't have a lot of preservatives and extra, sugars and so forth in them, right? So I always recommend that you keep it really simple, and you prepare and you make your sandwiches, the night before or the day before, that you can carry on the road. And one of the most simplest things to do, I'm a big believer in getting that protein in your gut in the morning, so that you keep your levels in line. And one of the simple things you can do that is you can take some yogurt and dump some raw oatmeal in there.
Yeah, super simple.
Stick it in your refrigerator, and the next morning it's ready to go, and you don't have to cook it. And it's just a good protein, a good way to get you started off on the day. So there's a lot of things you can do, and I'll send you the list that they can look on the menu or the grocery shopping list that they can buy.
Absolutely. Check that out in the comment thread because it's awesome advice. Once again, thank you, Bob. We appreciate your advice. Absolutely. And hopefully you all will heed his advice and incorporate those into your daily life on the road. So see you on the next Truck Boss Show.